The time is exactly 11:27. Johan sends me a mail. We're going to lunch. Do you want to hang with us? Now, Swedes believe that food is an important part of a balanced diet. Today's choice of lunches include a vegetarian dish, a GI option, a guaranteed gluten-free alternative, salad of the day, Sundara Val, which is a healthy choice of leaves and beans or something, and believe it or not, there's also an ordinary lunch with lots of brown sauce all over it. Now, eating lunch with my colleagues is a reminder how tricky it can be if ever you want to invite Swedes home to dinner. See, Marie is a vegetarian and basically won't eat anything that can have children. Jan is allergic to gluten and or lactose, and he has to check the ingredients of everything. Sten is on a carbohydrate-reduced diet that he's cut out of Aftonbladet's weekend supplement. Karin has turned Stone Age, and she's not eating anything people have eaten since the year 2000 BC. Malin is very environmentally aware, and she won't eat anything that's been transported outside of a 30-kilometre radius, and Pia is not allowed to eat fish as she's just discovered she's pregnant again. Oh, and Marie says she's also allergic to nuts, and it turns out that Mia is allergic to Sten's aftershave. Karina is allergic to cats, she says, and she may be allergic to pollen. Well, everybody's allergic to pollen these days, and she says she's definitely allergic to Englishmen.